Yeah. You feel the pressure, man, I know the pressure.
All right, so today I've got a lookbook for you guys, but it's a little bit different than normal. Typically I do all my lookbooks outside, but it's super windy today, and sometimes that can ruin things when you're trying to record outside. So what I'm gonna do is switch things up a little bit. I'm gonna be showing you what I'm wearing today, what I wore yesterday, and what I'm gonna be wearing tomorrow. And I'm gonna break down each outfit, let you know about the brands, why I like them, what the materials are, that type of thing. So this is a good change of pace, I feel like, and I'm gonna jump right into it and go over what I'm wearing now. Today's Saturday, like I said, I'll show you what I wore yesterday and probably what I'll wear tomorrow. So starting off with the jacket, this is from Huff. I got this a couple years back. It's actually a reversible bomber jacket. It's obviously camo on the outside, and then the inside is black and white. You can see the H stitched in there. So on the inside, it's kind of like this varsity style jacket where you have white accents down towards the bottom, but then on the outside what you see now is this camo ripstop material. For today I went with the camo because I'm mostly just wearing black and white, and if I went with the black and white on the inside it may have been a little too matchy for me, so I decided to just throw on the camo over this black hoodie that I'm wearing, and it's actually a sample from an upcoming Wing Collection drop. And what I'm doing is I'm wearing this black hoodie, it's just blank right now, for about a month. And what I'm doing is essentially wear testing it to see how it holds up. If it gets pilly or it rips or it fades after a couple washes, then I'm probably not going to use this material. As for the t-shirt, it is from the John Elliott, Gap, and GQ collection, and I really like this a lot because it's got a nice generous length to it, perfect for layering, but it's also very lightweight. So I'm wearing a jacket, I'm wearing a hoodie. I don't really need a heavyweight t-shirt right now, it's not that cold out. So this one is just perfect. And for the jeans, this is some black, lightly distressed denim from Represent Clo. Represent Clo is a brand out in the UK and they make excellent denim. So if you want to step up your denim game just a little bit, definitely check out Represent Clo. And then for the sneakers, very important part, we've got some Air Force One mids in just black and white. Very straightforward and simple, but I dig these sneakers like crazy. And these things are great because they're mostly just black, so they can be cleaned very easily, which is nice, but then you've got the white color as an accent. The swoosh really just stands out, and today I have them fully strapped. Some days I let the strap go, and then other times I tie the lace into the strap. So there's a few different ways that you can lace this sneaker. Today I'm just feeling like I really want to strap them up tight, but that is the look. Oh yeah, the hat. The hat is a White Sox New Era fitted that I've had in my hat collection for the longest time. This thing's at least 6 or 7 years old and it's still holding up great. So recently I've just been feeling fitted hats a lot. I've got some of my own hats that I also will throw in the mix, but for the most part, these MLB on-field hats have been my go-to recently, and this is probably my most worn hat of all time. Let me show you guys what I rocked yesterday and then we'll get into Sunday. All right, so Friday was finally a little bit warmer. As you guys know, it's been crazy cold in the Northeast and I've only been wearing boots. So Friday, I broke out some sneakers and somewhat of a lighter weight jacket. I went with this Jordan brand windbreaker, and I also wore a long sleeve t-shirt from Eddie Bauer. I don't have it, it's in the wash right now, but I just went with a long sleeve t-shirt and this windbreaker. I got this a long time ago, probably like 6 or 7 years ago. So this is a Jordan flight jacket. On the back it says flight, and then at the top of the collar you've got the Jordan Jumpman symbol, and it just looks wicked vintage, which is what I like about it. It's breathable, it's got mesh underneath the arms and on the side panel, full length zip, and the zipper is actually starting to yellow on me. There's a Jordan patch on the left side with a red Jumpman and a white flight logo, and I just love the vibe of this jacket. I wear it pretty often. You guys have seen it in many lookbooks. It's a nice lightweight piece to throw on when it's somewhat warmer out. It was like 58, so definitely reasonable to wear this. So for the denim, these are from Mott Bow, and I get questioned about these jeans all the time. It's usually in the comment section of lookbooks because I'm wearing them. So this is a dark charcoal gray. It's their skinny fit option, and I think these hit for like $100. But the reason I like these so much is because they're super soft. It feels like they've been washed like 100 times, but it's not rigid at all. They also have a nice stretch to them, and that's important if you get them tapered, which I have done here. I tapered these down to 6 inches. I've made a few videos on how to taper denim and what my preferences are with denim, so go check those out if you missed them. After I got them tapered, I distressed them. And let me just apologize to you guys real quick because I have not done my distressing video yet. I wanted to do how to distress denim, but I haven't done it yet, and I've just been slacking. No excuses, I've just haven't done it yet, but I will be doing that. So I'll let you guys know exactly how I went about distressing these jeans. So, you know, a lot of people want to buy jeans and have them be perfect right when you order them. So if that's the case, then maybe check out Represent Clo, which I'll link down in the description. But if you want to put in the legwork and get a perfect pair of jeans like I did here, then get them tapered and then distress them yourself, because it gives somewhat of a unique feel. I've had these for about 3 years now. I wear them very often. And of course, since I was wearing a Jordan jacket, I went ahead and threw on a pair of Jordans. These are the white cement 4s that you guys are very familiar with the Nike Air on the back. This is one of the only pair of sneakers that I have 2 pairs of, the other being my collab with Saucony, and this is just something that is never going to go out of style. These will always be in style, whether you can buy them on the shelf or they're super limited. Regardless, this has got to be one of the best Jordans of all time. So it's never a bad day when you're wearing a pair of white cement 4s. They will probably yellow around the mesh area, and then that'll be somewhat of a sad day for me because I hate that look on Jordan 4s. So I'm trying to get as much wear out of these as I can before they start to yellow. So I rocked them yesterday because I was just fiending wearing a pair of Jordans. After you wear boots for like a month straight, you really want to throw on some Jordan Retros. All right, so getting into tomorrow's outfit, I got a bunch of stuff to do, one of which is buying a new mattress. I don't know which one I'm gonna go with yet. If you have any recommendations, let me know down in the comment section. The one I have now already has a dip in it, and I've had it for only like 4 years. So that's not much of a life expectancy because I paid a lot for it, but it's gonna be colder, unfortunately. So I'm gonna layer up. I'm going with this tan top coat that I got from Saks that you can buy right now on sale as well, that I'll link down in the description. It's a cashmere wool blend. Underneath that, I've got my Win University hoodie in this forest green color with gold stitching, which is a go-to for me right now in the winter. This is a very warm, layered up fit. I'm not sure what I'm gonna wear for jeans yet. I'll probably throw on black, but it may be a different color, but most likely black. And then as for the footwear, I'm gonna throw on a pair of boots that I have not rocked yet. I got these, when did I get these? I think I got these earlier on in the year, or was that last year? I really forget, but they're a pair of Yeezy boots from season 4 that I got from End Clothing for so cheap. I got these for the low. I wish that I had more colors because Yeezy boots are where it's at. They are so fitting for where I live. This is that onyx brown color mixed with black. These are so well made. Are these made in Spain or Italy? I forget. It says somewhere. Season 3 boots that I have are made in Spain. Okay, so the season 3 boots I have are made in Spain. These are made in Italy, and the craftsmanship is just so on point. I'm really hoping that I can buy this season's Yeezy boots at 50% off because Black Friday sales weren't that great this year for Yeezy boots, and I want to buy them 50% off. Bodega had them for 30% off, and it just wasn't enough. I need 50% off. So if you see any Yeezy boots for 50% off or more in like a size 44 or 45. Definitely let me know. Tweet at me, leave a comment on Instagram, whatever it is. Let me know if you find these boots for a steal, because these are so well made. I absolutely am obsessed with these boots. They're like just as much of a contribution to my closet as the Adidas Yeezy boots are. So these joints right here, I'm so mad I missed out on the Adidas duck boots. By the way, that first drop, I wish I got those. I wish I pulled the trigger. They were so easy to get to, and I just didn't do it because they were super expensive. I should have done that. Those are so fire. But anyway, tomorrow is gonna be Yeezy boot season, top coat time, and then my Wind Collection forest green hoodie all up in the mix. It'll be a nice Sunday outfit for going to buy a mattress. Definitely leave a comment and let me know which outfit you guys liked best, and be sure to hit the thumbs up on this video. Subscribe for more stuff. I wouldn't say just like this because I haven't done a video like this ever. So let me know down in the comments if you like this format or if I should just go to the standard weekend lookbook format. Either way, it's all good. I enjoy making this content, and I'm grateful that you guys enjoy watching it. I will talk to you soon. Peace.
Never, never.